So once again, this is your girl Debisha. I'm here making today a raised planter, and I'll be using these scraps of boards that I've got. I got them from somewhere in Falmouth, and I'll be using these for the corners of my box. You need a drill and you need some screws, and also you'll be needing some wider boards for the side of your planter box. So guys, these are all that you'd want to make the box, so stay tuned and watch until the end to see my planter box. So now I'll be screwing on my boards to the smaller pieces that I got for the corner. Okay. So guys, I've got one side of my board all put together, one side of the frame, so I'll be going to do the next three parts, and then I'll be joining them together to make my box. Attaching the side, guys, to my planter box. So I'm actually doing it on a small piece of board here. Okay, so there we have the other side attached to it. Then I'll be going ahead with the other side. So when I'm finished with the other side, I'll get back to you guys. Here it is, guys, my raised planter box. So for this, I'll be filling it up with dirt, topsoil. Then I'll be planting like some vegetables, tomatoes, hot pepper, and other stuff that I need to plant in it. Just like a small garden. So thank you guys for watching, and please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video.